here. Yeah, I know my volume's pretty low, but then again, I'm in a big room and everybody's rooms are usually much smaller. I'm gonna try mochi again, and I'm gonna try some other candies from Japan. Mainly some KitKats because, well, I misplaced a couple of them. Alright, so the sesame seed mochi is covered in sesame seeds. The seeds are killing it. The thing in the middle is not bad. If they didn't have all the seeds covering it, it'd be a lot better. But then I also have tried sesame seed. If they didn't have the sesame seeds around it, it'd be a lot better. I've tried sesame seed brittle, and that was horrible. I like sesame seeds, but not to this extent. You push out the middle, it works out better. Because that is a savory mochi. Mind you, this is the cake kind of mochi. See, they're squishy. This is red bean paste, which you can see the little dark red bean. And they are stretchy. As you can see, that's red bean. And it feels like they tried a little too hard. There's a little too much sugar in the red bean. It's pretty good though. Now that I'm trying it again, I like it better. I still like the frozen mochi better, but it's not bad. And this is the peanut one. So it looks like it has a little bit of peanut butter in there. Thicker texture. Creamy. And it's popping up around it. This is a really good one. Kind of tastes like peanut butter. And it's creamy, but it does not have that weird aftertaste bite thing that the normal peanut butter has, at least American peanut butter. That's not bad. And again, out of those three mochis, I like the peanut one best. Red bean second, sesame seed last. But that's because sesame seed really needs to work on it. Okay. I misplaced this in our previous taste test. This is strawberry KitKat. Oh wow, that's artificial smelling. It is a nice pinky color. Oh my god, artificial. There's so much artificial strawberry in here, it's not even funny. It's not bad though. I really do like it. That was one of the best Kit Kats I've ever had. They should have strawberry Kit Kats. Okay. This is the big bite. I don't know if it's any different than ours. But then again, it's Japan. They're little squares. It tastes just like ours, except for they're tiny. I think this would make the same amount as a king size KitKat bar. Maybe a regular, because there's a bunch of these. This is not bad. This can curb a sweet tooth, which I'm currently having. Next, I have this. This is very expensive considering. I paid $9.99. Well, I used Swagbook, so I didn't have to pay much at all. Well, none. So this little thing cost $9.99. Seriously, this small. And no idea how to open it. Where the hell are the scissors? As my one friend online says, they really don't want you getting in the packaging. Which, don't ask me what it says. It's in Japanese. Confound it. Do they all just carry around stuff to open these things with? Lungs. Okay. There we go. We got a variety of different flavors. Better put the scissors away. Don't want to hurt myself. Okay. First up, if I can get it out, I'll try this bitter one. Gosh, I hope these don't have mint in them. It's not very big. It's about the size of my thumb. And it has a useless wrapping over a wrapping. Why did you overwrap? Okay. Has a nice little swirl in there. Has a texture of a cookie. Kind of reminds me of an Oreo. An Oreo with Japanese chocolate. Yep. Next up, I'm trying this. I have no idea how to say that. Churato? Tiata? I'm probably insulting several people's cousins. It's some kind of chocolate with a black wrapper. And that's not me being unethical. That's really black. Okay, so they have the secondary wrapping thing again. And everything is in Japanese. Has a nice little swirl, and it also looks like it was filled. What the devil is that? I think it's caramel, but so chewy. No, it's toffee. Butter toffee. Did I ever mention I hate toffee? Why would you put toffee in a chocolate? Personally, I actually don't see why toffee exists. Let's hope this saves me. It's milk, apparently. Which, apparently the Japanese really like milk flavored stuff. Which I don't get. They don't have cheese, but they have milk. And again, there is some good milks out there. I like almond milk personally. Okay, so it has cocoa, CH. It's speaking of chocolate. It's chocolate without the lot. There's those nice little lines. The mochi thing with the toffee that I had before feels like I just had a latte. Okay, so yeah. As you can see, there's a white inside. And it's kind of strange, milky, kind of bland flavor. I mean, it's not bad, it's a strong flavor. But the flavor idea itself, it's like, what is it? It's something. Doesn't remind me of milk. The creaminess does, but the flavor does not. Okay. What should I do next? Let's do strawberry jelly. I'm so gonna get a stomachache from this. Let's go. Okay. Looks like it has strawberry at the top, chocolate at the bottom. Oh wow. There's a gummy kind of jelly thing. Doesn't taste much like anything except for slight strawberry, slight chocolate. It doesn't overwhelm you. It's just like a little piece of jam. Not overwhelming, not underwhelming. Oh god. Another one of those things. Different wrapper. It's the Trada something or other. Last one was Toffee. What the haze is this gonna be? Again, it has that little swirl. Ah! Ah! It broke off in a bit. And just chewed it all. Hey. I think it's caramel. Feels like I haven't milked it in my mouth. Yeah, that's definitely caramel. Though I don't know why they have the hard caramel or caramel, whatever you want to call it. I call it caramel. I have a friend that calls it caramel, and we get into arguments about what to call it. It's just superheated sugar. But if you're going to have it, it has to be flowing. It cannot be hard as a rock. That's why I don't like toffee too. It's usually as hard as a rock. Okay. So, BIS. No, I'm not insulting you. That's what it says. Lungs. Okay, so try doing a taste test while you have lung problems. Isn't that just fun? Okay, there's a pretty little blue wrapper, and it's designed like every other one. That's a biscuit. That's a cookie crumble biscuit kind of thing. And it's boring as all hell. I prefer the Pocky. At least it's not like a giant flat round. Okay. Next up is my phone talking. Is white chocolate, white cookie, white and cookie crunch. The names are in English. The rest of it is not. That looks like cookies and cream. Did they make a sweeter cookies and cream? Yep, that's just weird cookies and cream. The one I was looking forward to the least, hot cakes. We call them pancakes. This is with butter and maple. And if anybody's ever seen any of my videos, they know how I feel about maple in chocolate. I hate it. I really do hate maple with my chocolate. What the hell? This is weird. That is a light brown, kind of yellowish color. Oh, it smells like pancakes. A butter maple flavored chocolate. Blech. And there's a crispy, crunchy kind of cookie, kind of biscuity thing in there. Ugh. Why? Why? That's not good. Who thought that was good? I'm gonna need more juice. And the last up on our little taste test adventure. I can still taste the butter and the maple. Oh dear God. Is almond something. Chocolate almond. Which, how can you mess up chocolate almonds? Chocolate almonds are phenomenal. This is the one I was looking forward to the most. Which I had the grossest one before this in a Lucky. And again, has Japanese on the wrapping. But yeah. Oh look, it has a different picture. It has an almond on it. There's almond inside. It's chocolate almond. You cannot go wrong with that. I have never met anybody who screwed up chocolate and almonds. If you screw up chocolate and almonds, you did a pretty good job at being a failure. See, they have double wrappings. This is a pain in the butt. So, is the 9 mix worth it? No. Not at the least. It's okay, but spending $10 on this, not so much. And that's with Amazon. It would probably be cheaper if I went to Japan, but I'm not going to visit them anytime soon. So I'm going to enjoy my KitKat bites, or my KitKat big. I'm guessing that's bites, but I'm not really sure. I don't read Japanese. Looks really cool though. But yeah, so that is my taste test for today. And I always recommend, if you don't like something the first time, try it again. I wouldn't recommend trying it more than twice, because if you don't like the second time around, you're not going to like it the third time. See, I tried the mochi again. I liked it a little bit better this time. I'm still not a big fan of the sesame seeds. So, yeah. This is Haley, signing off. Toodles.